Hi everyone and welcome to my place. We are at the end of our first journey into the botanical world, or our journey behind the scenes to see where our flowers come from. And when I was at Ruby Orchids and I was wandering along the lines of all of these amazing Cymbidium orchids, in the distance I saw this orchid here, and it's called Geisha Girl, and it took me back to when I was a very young girl. In 1980, when I got married, big mistake, but that's another story for another day, I carried a bouquet that was this orchid. It was gorgeous. But when I saw these, I just thought, oh, what can I have as a wee memory keeper for myself with just one spike of orchids? And when I got home, I thought, what could I put it into? What could I put it into? And then I remembered my tulip vase. And when I did this the first time, I got lots and lots of responses from all around the world, from people saying to me, Astar, I never knew what that vase was for, or I would never have thought to put the flowers that I put into it. I love this container, and when I purchased it for a small fortune to get it from one side of the world to here, but I didn't care because I wanted it, because I thought I'll just get the white one. I can do all sorts of things with this. I can decoupage it and I can paint it and whatever as the years go by. And I think that, you know, sometimes a wise purchase, a one-off purchase, if it's a wise decision, can go on and on and on for years. So all I want to do with this is I want to just to display the single heads of the orchid. And even though that sort of, now it wants to, see if they want to go down, see that one went in beautifully. Sometimes they go in beautifully and sometimes they don't. It's just a matter of how you hold your tongue or your breath to get them into there. And I'm just going to look, just put all of those into there at something simple, something beautiful, just a lovely little memory for Astar of a time gone by. And you know what? If you've got people, friends that are living in small places, see that there, how it's not sitting nicely? If it's not going to sit nicely, well, I'm just not going to be mucking around. I'll just have you go in the way that I want you to go into there. And you know, people living, as I was saying, people who live in small spaces, if you've got one of these, it can be, oh, now, because it's specimen, see how that's happened there? I want this to be specimen, so we're not going to use that. Just put that to one side. And I think that there's about 12 little inserts for flowers in this little container. See, it's not, no, see, it's not sitting properly. So if it's not going to sit, we're not going to waste time. We're just going to move on. And then the little florets all will hold each other up. There's one. Oh no, that's got a wee mark on it. That's my fault. It's got a mark on it because I was a bit rough. So we just, oh, look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? And with this top one here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that up into the top like that. Oh, it's too many. Take that up there, Astar. Look at that. And then that one can go into there. I just love it. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Beautiful specimen. And you see that one there, how it's doing that? We don't want that, thank you. We don't want that at all. So going in there like that, and then you'll find that the little wee bit above it, the little wee cup above it will hold it. But isn't that just beautiful? Gorgeous moment and a memory for me of a long time ago. They were good memories. All memories with flowers are good memories. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day.